జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. అరణ్యకాండ. Why are you here? The moment when I look at you, I felt that you are Sakshat Devata. Are you related to any Rudras, Marutas and Vasu? Any of those Devata categories? You are not supposed to be living in this kind of forest. No Devatas will be living in this kind of forest. Kadham nutvam iha agata. How did you end up coming here? Like this, Ravana is now trying to talk to Sita Devi while appreciating the beauty of Sita Devi. Ravanasura asking Sitamma, saying that, "Oh, the beautiful woman, oh Sundari, why are you here? Here there are so many wild animals like monkeys, lions, tigers, deers, so many bears. Are you not scared from those animals? Oh Subhangi, Kasi, who are you? Kasya kutaschit, whom do you belong to? Where are you from? Where did you come from? What is the reason you are here?" Like this, when Ravanasura, who is in the form of Brahmana, sannyasi, asking and praising Sitamma, Sitamma heard all that praisings. And then Sitamma sarvaihi atidhi satkaraihi pujayamasa maithili. Sitamma did namaskaram to that Brahmana. Sitamma offered upaniya asanam, beautiful asanam for Brahmana. Padyena abhinimantriyacha. Sitamma offered water for padyam, to wash the feet. Then Sitamma saying that, "Oh Brahmanottama, food is ready. You please eat." But that Sitamma is unable to understand. This Brahmana is not real Brahmana. Sitamma is not realizing. This Brahmana came here only with one purpose, that is to abduct Sitamma. Sitamma is not realizing this Brahmana has so many dreadful, scary thoughts going on in his mind. Without realizing all these things, Sitamma saying that, "Iyam brusi Brahmana kamam asyata." "O Brahmana, here is simhasanam, here is asanam for you to eat your food. Please come and sit over here. Idancha siddham vanajatam uttamam." "O Brahmanottama, whatever the things I got from here in the forest, I did cooked all of them. Twadardham, for you I cooked. Avyagram iha upabhujyatam. Please do not feel shy. Eat full." Like that, Sitamma offering food to Ravana. Sitamma kept food ready for Ravana. Then Sitamma, who is the wife of Narendra Patni, the great man Sri Ramachandra, when she offered food and when she asking him to eat food, that Brahmana is now getting ready to abduct Sitamma. That Brahmana, Atmavadhaya Ravanaha, the one Ravana who is in the form of Brahmana, getting ready to be killed and inviting his own death, thinking to abduct Sitamma. Sitamma waiting for Rama and Lakshmana. Sitamma looking at that path in which Rama has gone to bring deer. On other side, Ravanasura, who is in the form of sannyasi, he is talking to Sitamma and he is asking so many questions to Sitamma. Sitamma looking at other side for Rama and Lakshmana. Wherever she is looking, nowhere from Rama and Lakshmana is coming. But it is all dreadful big forest. That is what Sitamma getting to see, but not Lakshmana and Rama. Here Sitamma has to answer all the questions which are asked by Ravanasura. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.